So let's continue from where we stopped. If you check very well, been able to get up to this stage. We've used our WhatsApp as a means of contact when people come over and they can message us. So let's move ahead to the next one. Okay, so that next one say build your page audience, invite friends. This is where it matters. Okay, if you already have it, and that is the advantage of having a profile. So you have a profile already, you can now go ahead and invite as many people as possible on your profile. Okay, you can make it a matter of, say, every day, once in a day you invite like 100 people. Once in a day, 100 people. Maybe out of that 100 per day, maybe 50, 30, 40 can join you. Okay, so keep on invite people on your profile first, because they are the ones that know you. They are your relatives, your friends, or whoever. Something make them to join you. They are your organic partner first. Okay, after that we move to the next stage, where I will show you how you can now get more followers, so you can build this page up in no time and possibly monetize by Facebook. Okay, so don't worry, keep a date. Let's do stage by stage. So how do you invite friends? Click on invite friends. Okay, you see what Facebook will do. They will go ahead and bring out most of your friends on your profile. Not all of them, the majority of them. For now, they give us 155 friends to be invited right away. So you can either click them one after the other, okay, or you select all of them at once. And because you don't have that time, it's good to select all of them at once. Then you just cross check to see that everyone you selected is marked. Okay, so once you're sure that all are marked, the next thing to do is to come over here and send this. So once you invite this first 150 or 153, you watch what will happen if you've accepted it. The next day you invite another set. If you have the time, you can keep on inviting as many as you can. Okay, then once you exhaust that of your friendship, the next one, in our next tutorial, we'll show you can now move into group, move into community, see how you can get organic friendship, because it's better to create organic friendship first. So long as they know what you're offering, they'll be ready to partner with you. There are many groups that are in every niche you can think of. So your duty is to look for groups that are in your own particular niche and join those groups. And when you join, don't just start by inviting them. I'm telling you now what to make your Facebook to go viral. Okay, along with our other teachings, like how you can change your language, international language. So I need post anything you post, whoever receive it, we see it in its own language. Okay, it needs our own language. If you've missed that class, please DM me or go back to my classes and you're going to get it. Okay, so along with all of those ones, you can also skip joining group, joining community. Then later also try, you can create your own group so that people can also join you. So keep a date with us. See you in our next class as we move ahead on this page creation journey. Thank you for being there. Please don't forget to join us and possibly comment, ask questions. If you also have a better way, let us know. We are all here to learn together. Nobody is perfect. Nobody knows it all. Okay, thank you once again, and don't forget to follow us. Bye.